Man, y'all see what's going on. It's a boom day, man. Everybody got their shoulder pads. Everybody got their shoulder pads. It's that type of day today, man. Y'all already know the boss, man. It's gonna get real intense for everybody. On a BIBLE. Know what I mean? Look at this shit. You see this? Nah, I don't eat stuff like that. Nah, I don't like chicken, but I eat it occasionally when I got to. What if I run up on it? What you think will happen? You think that'd attack me?
Do you think if it attacked you, it would win?
Hell no, I beat it. I give his a body shot and break his ribs. Quakesy dinner.
How natives kill those?
How?
They hit them with a stick.
And they break their neck?
No. They hit them with a stick, and they fall unconscious, and then they grab them by the neck, and they twirl them like that, and they snap their neck.
Yeah, I heard that before. But
It's actually humane. That's why they do it that way. How is that humane? Because when they hit it with a stick, it knocks them unconscious.
so now they don't feel when they break their neck.
When they break its neck, it's quick and painless. It's over.
Yeah, but with birds, after they break their neck, they get a real big old bucket of hot water. They dip them in there and they take their feathers out one by one. So they give them a haircut with their hands.
You trying to give him a haircut?
Look, what are you doing? Grab him. Hey, Troy, grab him. He not scared of you, bro. Yo, they like the same height on camera, bro. On camera, they the same height. We have Wayne versus the what's that called? A cookie? A geese? Hey, yo, I don't think the geese want us to practice. Yo, he brought him food. Y'all good until Coach Carr get here. Y'all gotta get out of here once Carr comes. It's all cool, fun and games for now. Oh, Williams coming. He might do something to y'all. Look.
Y'all better fuck with something more safe.
You told them they better fuck with something more safe. Look, Williams about to handle that. He got some grease in that motherfucker. He's a bird catcher.
Hey, Coach, let me see what you got.
He about to walk them niggas down. A bad recorder? How come?
What?
Oh, they about to put him under the bucket.
I got your back. You more come, Coach Will.
No, look, they about to put him under the garbage cans, bro. He like, y'all got it. You hear him though.
I'm telling you, bro, they coming, bro.
Look.
Bro, if you see one, you going to see a lot. They don't travel single handle. Oh, you got blue long sleeve? You got one?
Hey, yo, he really walking them out the park, bro. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Stay away. He's talking about my defense got to do up downs right here.
Chicken wings.
He's gonna put their little ass in the suit and tie.
If we do a board drill today, who wants to go?
Board drills? What's that?
No, we got no work today.
We got nothing but respect for us. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, and my Canadian brother had two of them bad boys.
What's good with you? All of my 2 subscribers. What's good with you?
I got more than 2 subscribers. Don't listen to this fool. Don't listen to this fool.
You know, let me talk some, you know. Shout out to my man Kyle running this shit, but
Shout out to my boy Andrew for always making sure we healthy. He ain't liking that one. Hey, how you feel, my boy?
Tired of shit, man.
I need somebody to record. I can't find nobody. Corey, how you feel today? I heard you got punched in the mouth a few times today. Yo, didn't y'all hear he get punched in the mouth a few times today? Yeah. Let me see your mouth. You say he got spit on too? Boom day. I done cracked my back flap. Got a cut. Who said that?
My man.
Yeah.
The first thing that I'm gonna tell him, where Q at? Where Big Q at? I don't realize.
Shut up. Shut up. He's scared, you said? No way he got hurt first day of practice. How about you? How you feeling?
I'm straight, man.
Hey, how you feeling?
Nobody in front. By yourself.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know y'all was busy.
We're going over there. Right here, stand right. I think it goes with it really well. I mean, I know you obviously, but yeah.
What's up, coach? How you doing? It's my YouTube video.
YouTube video.
Yeah, say hey.
Jeez. What are you saying?
I'm just vlogging about how it is living at Monroe. You feel me?
Hopefully it's a good experience.
Well, it's like I really only do the like when we go to practice, like when I wake up in the morning, afterwards, then on our way back, and then I finish it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Very nice. I like
Trying to get y'all some new recruits. You feel me?
Oh, I feel you.
Huh, give a shout out to my mans.
Prince?
Yeah.
Prince, you gotta be coming over here, big man.
Yeah.
Gotta be coming.
You gotta be coming. Yeah, get that extra work in. Get that extra work in. What's this right here? What y'all doing? What y'all doing? What the extra work for? No, I'm saying like what it's for? Like just cause you?
Just cause.
All right, I love it.
1% better every day.
I love to see it. Okay. We got Quake over here, blocking everything. Got him blushing. Hey, yo, you see we got Quake blushing?
What you gonna do? You lay my bet, nigga, in the grass.
You rushing to lay down and shit?
Yeah.
That nigga again keep showing like that. All that wine he doing. Sick of it. Oh, no big homie.
Bro, this nigga still recording, bro. He recording nothing.
Bro, you weird.
He just wanted some action
Yeah, he
time.
wanted
That's
some
it.
camera time.
Yeah, I get it.
That's 5 minutes.
Y'all get it.
2 views, my boy.
That's why he asked for y'all.
When you gonna upload the first video?
I've been uploaded the first video.
He talking about that, but he not tuning in.
The cock coker.
This is first 2. That's crazy.
It's cool
I see
because
2,
I got
fuck
him blocked.
with you,
I got
dog.
him blocked on
I
my
fuck
YouTube
with you.
anyway. So even if he wanted to watch it, he couldn't watch it.
Well, I can't watch his stuff.
I got you blocked, bro.
He one of them.
I'm gonna bring over the community.
Go as a guest.
I'm gonna bring over the people you like.
This my guy Mitch.
Come on, bro.
This my guy Mitch. This my little rock.
Can you introduce me to?
The fuck
That's my nephew Rico.
Who this?
Who? He is a bitch.
That girl joking Rico up, bro.
Hey yo, him right here, he got punched in his mouth today.
Oh my god.
Hey yo, he got punched all in his mouth today, and somebody knocked his mouthpiece
Yo, I'm
out.
about to demonstrate though.
No, you're not.
Let me show you how hard they hit me, yo.
No, I wasn't even pointing at you. Oh,
Somebody was bleeding today though.
I like those
This
cleats.
is somebody knows got bust.
Damn.
You got solid gold shoestrings. You must be getting paid. Hey, yo. Roll the window down. I got her. Roll the window down. What y'all listening to? What y'all listening to in here?
Shazamming it, my nigga?
Huh?
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Oh no, Nas got aux, bro.
What y'all listening to?
That nigga some Lil Uzi, nigga.
Huh, let me see. I'm gonna put y'all on some good shit, huh? Record me.
The long way, the long way. I know, nigga.
Well, you can record the car, whoever you choose.
You can't think of something.
Just tell me if y'all like this song.
Does this nigga have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Nas keep
How many
tapping the
subscribers
screen
you got?
because you gotta get.
I got like 50.
1,000?
No, I got like 50, like 50. I just started like 3 days ago. Tell me how y'all like my tunes when I see y'all at the next stop, alright? Tell me if y'all like that song that's written about gum.
Alright. Alright. Right there,
He talking about shit. I'm gonna interview people while we going back. Like, Whoa. What the fuck?
What the fuck are you doing? We said get back in one piece. That's what you got. Oh my god. Oh, don't hit this man walking now.
Hey yo,
Homicide.
quadruple homicide. That's a dead end. Don't go there.
No, it's too late. This little car gonna break down.
He talking about this little car gonna break down today. Where are you going? Where are you going? You ain't do all that for a piece of gum. Hey yo.
I'm gonna take your things right up.
Hey yo.
We gonna be in the air. He gonna be like, I want my gun now.
Yo, this nigga Zay drives like a maniac.
Man, you don't break so good, bro. He put it in some damn self.
He tightened them shits with himself.
Nobody can't turn them bitches
Hey yo.
Yeah, the times.
Yo.
Yo, my little Honda would never make it, bro.
Never.
That's how you know he from Newark.
Yeah, I think it's trying out this shit.
You better slow down.
Ready for this turn?
Damn deal, boy. That water ain't moving, boy. That water ain't moving.
Oh, y'all niggas funny, boy.
That water was
He thought he was swinging that shit. He thought he was about to go.
the wheel about to
Hey yo. Would y'all who would y'all say is the best? I don't even know what this shit is right here, but who's the best one in this predicament?
The best one right now, what are we doing?
Yeah.
He is lead.
I'm in the lead right now.
Oh why? Hey yo, look. Would you let him hit you in the face with that ball for $300?
Fuck no.
Fuck no. What about on a backswing? Like you ain't even let him backswing you in it with it?
Hell, it was way worse. Hell, way worse.
Oh why? I seen that.
Oh, he just tied you up.
I seen that.
Coach, you need to see me hit that.
Yeah, y'all want to see Quake hit that. Hey, yo, what that mean, that what he just did? What was that?
So we playing a little game. So if you hit the net, that's 2. If you hit the back cage, that's 3. If you hit it past, that's 2.
wow.
So they tied up at 6 on that 5.
Oh, all right.
Go right
Hey, yo, I'll give you $300. Look, hold on, wait. I'll give you $300 if you hit him in the face with that bat. You don't want $300? Huh? I did not say that. I ain't say that shit. I said that. Me? Why me?
It's another bag.
I ain't looking back. Niggas ain't about to catch you. Niggas ain't about to catch me slipping. Hold up.
Third day in a row.
What?
This is the third day in a row. Nigga, why you ain't got me on this shit?
I be uploading them. Y'all don't follow my shit.
Fuck that. To everybody here,
I'ma send it to the
this nigga
group
he
chat.
don't put the real one in his video.
Huh?
Fuck you upload that shit at?
On YouTube.
Nigga, Fat Quake is out here, nigga. Follow me on IG at Fat Quake, nigga.
Why Fat Quitty?
Yeah, man. Me and my man Fat Dre just in here trying to get this working, man.
All right. Let me see 10 push-ups if you really working. If you really working. Let me see.
No, bro.
Let me see 10 push-ups if you really working. Now niggas ain't really working. See, I'm cutting this out. I'm cutting this little section out. Oh, all right. 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's how you get big. That's how you get big, Quake. Oh, okay. All right. Maybe I might just hang out with them. No way, bro. I get out the shower and they have a fire drill. Crazy. Shit crazy, man. Shit crazy. How you feel about that fire drill?
Come on now.
He ain't going. It was a crazy practice.
Just in case.
Another segment. Man. Listen here. Today was a crazy day. Feel me? I didn't want to get up this morning, so I actually didn't make an intro video today. I just kinda went till we got to practice. Once we got to practice, I was kinda feeling it. Y'all seen it, right? Type junk. Yeah, so that's why I didn't make an introduction today. But today I actually have classes. So being as though that I have classes, I'm gonna show you some of my classes. I ain't gonna show you all of it. But right now, I gotta set up a presentation. So I'm gonna set that up for y'all and I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like. Alright, so this is what I just had to do. Feel me? I had to talk about the 3.1. I had to do this, and then I had to write the first 2 slides. I had to answer the first 2 questions about this right here. I do 1 and 2. And my partner had to do 3 and 4, but I just did it. Class started in like an hour. I was thinking about getting on the game, but I'm low-key tired. So I think I'm taking a nap. And then when I get up for class, I'll let y'all know. And then I'll talk to you about my class next. You feel me? See y'all in a little bit.
From the heart, so to speak. It's like a sad story, like God forbid if something happened to a family member of mine and yours, and I sound speaking from the heart, you can relate to what I'm saying. Hope you go into it.
Yeah, excellent. I generally don't jump in, but I'm just gonna jump in here for students. Affective language, not affective. It's affective. Affect means AFFECT, like it almost sounds like Affect the Duck, the insurance company. It means emotions. So like affective language, right, is like I feel sad, I feel happy, I feel excited, that kind of language. Or you really hurt me, right? And that helps a lot in relational.
That was my communications class. Now I'm about to join my business law class.
Burns down, that the car gets totaled. You can't sell it. Death or incompetence of the offerer or the offeree, a party to the transaction dies. supervening illegality of the proposed contract. These are the ways by the offer terminates by operation of law. Lapse of time. An offer terminates automatically by law when the period of time specified in the offer has passed. If the offer states that it will be left open until a particular date, then the offer will terminate at midnight on that day. If the offer states that it will be left open for a number of days, the time period normally begins to run when the offer is actually received by the offeree, not when it's formed or sent. Don't worry about it, just know the concept. If the offer does not specify a time for acceptance, again, we're going to hear that word, reasonable. Remember, where they fail to put stuff in, the court's going to give it a reasonable. So if they fail a specific time for acceptance, the offer terminates at the end of a reasonable period of time. A reasonable period of time is determined by the subject matter of the contract, business and market conditions, and other relevant circumstances. So the court's going to look, what do normal contracts in the industry of delivery of milk, what happens? And that's
Hey, so I'm done. This is a weekday at Monroe College. This is you guys' first day with classes with me. Tell me how you like it. And we back at it tomorrow. You feel me? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Man. Okay? Okay, Noto?